the shit. Oh man, here we go, over the bridge. What's going on? Welcome to another video. This dude loves it. The dude on the Grom. What's up, man? We are out here. That is the ocean, my friends. Today, we're on an adventure. We're going to a mountain bike park right on the beach. Let's go. On the other side of those fucking mansions right there, we got the ocean. Oh, I don't like that. And they got the cameras there too. Which way? This looks like it's got tire tracks on it. Oh my god, I'm about to cut the fingers off of these. Okay, so these go out to the water. Let's go to this one. This one goes down to the beach too, but we got a little ride here. Let's go. This is pretty straight, dude. Look at this. We're about to be on the beach. Oh man. Let's go. Alright, let's go. We're on a little adventure. This is the Florida off-road right here. Dang, this goes a little ways. Alright. I don't think it's likely we will see people here. Let's probably rip it a little more. We good? We locked up? I fixed this too. My spring just slipped down under there. Sorry guys.
That's electric?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Good, and you? Yeah. If I can just get back out to the road, that'd be nice. Most people seem to be alright with the bike. Going on a nice cruise like this, just going out for the nice little ride today. I don't know if I've popped one wheelie yet this video. Oh man. That's weird. Hold on, we gotta check that out. Whatever, like coral or like fungus or something? That's wild. All that right there. That was cool. Cool pit stop. This isn't too bad. I definitely saw some pictures online of like the little mountain bike bridges. Here we go. Oh wait, let's go. Caution, mountain biking trail. Hell yeah. Let's go. That's why we're here. Wrong way? Okay. Let's go. Oh jeez. Let's go mountain bike park on the beach. Oof. Hell yeah, this is what I've been waiting for. Double black diamond. Maybe I should go around and see. It doesn't seem that challenging. I say that now. Check it out next go around. Bailed on the first one. Nice. Ooh. No bark busters, just my fingers. Oh shit. Oh yeah, let's go. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go this way. It says blue. Blue for now. Ooh, the ramp. Let's go. We got these. Ooh, that's tight. I'm gonna flick my mirror off. Oh no. Alright. Swerving. We gotta watch my battery too, 71%. Nope. The brakes are putting in work too, the new Galfers. Oh man, this is tight. Dang, this one is long, man. I think we're coming back up to the beginning now. Oh, nope, can't do that one. Oh, nice. Let's go. First try, no luck. Yeah. Ooh, we coming up to the features again. The technical features. Ooh, don't go fast through here. Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna say hell no to that one. Fuck that, I ain't doing that shit. I'm out here by myself, nah. Sheesh. I don't like it. I'm not trying to have a bad day. Dang. Look at this one, hell yeah. Let's go. Oof. Oh shit, I only got 20% battery on my phone. That's not good. Ooh, that was a bad one. Dang, that's sick over there. I definitely have to come back. This is awesome. Nice. Looks like an exit. Oh well. Alright, I'm about to put my goggles back on and we gonna ride back. That was fun as hell. Alright. Gonna go back and pick up the girly. Well, she's got the truck, so about to go load up. Alright, well, that was the mountain bike park. I'm definitely coming back. Got the way from that dude. If you made it this far, thank you, much appreciated. We're getting close to 200 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. I think we can do that. We got a lot of viewers, and a lot of you aren't subscribed. So hey, maybe if you want to see some more stuff like this, go ahead and drop us a subscribe down there. Drop a little like button. You know what to do. If you like the stuff, like it, and it helps me tremendously. Anyways, that's gonna be it. That was a mountain bike park by the beach. Heck yeah, dude. We got the undercover 5.0. Anyways, that was the mountain bike park. Thanks for watching. Video over.